Mahigit 80,000 trabaho ang nawala sa Canada nitong Pebrero, batay sa pinakahuling datos ng Statistics Canada. Malaking pagkakaiba mula sa mahigit 20,000 job loss noong Enero. Paano nga ba mapapalakas ang tsansa sa trabaho lalo sa mga papasukin pa lang ang job market? Narito ang report. Sa pinakahuling datos ng StatsCan Biyernes, nabawasan ng mahigit 80,000 trabaho ang Canada nitong Pebrero. Ang unemployment rate pumalo ng 6.7%. Pinakamalalang monthly job losses raw mula noong pandemya.
Devastating jobs report the result of in part of Mark Carney's liberal failures and continued job-killing liberal policies that have made our economy the weakest in the G7. We are saddened to see that Canada is in the weakest position after a year of Mark Carney.
Sa Ontario, mabilis na nagpahayag ng pagkadismaya sa federal liberal government si conservative leader Pierre Poilievre. Sinisi ang Prime Minister sa pagsubok na hinarap ng Canadian sa job market.
It is true, we do have global problems, and we cannot discount or try to control what President Trump does. But all the countries are facing those tariffs. None of them have a shrinking economy like we do under Mark Carney.
Dumipensa naman si Carney na nasa Norway ngayong araw para sa pag-asang mapalawak pa ang trade opportunities na inaasahang makapagdadala rin ng trabaho sa bansa.
Wages are growing at 4.2%, fastest wage growth in years. Unemployment 6.7% is lower than the peak the level when I came into office. Given the scale of the trade actions, the uncertainty that is associated as well as with the trade actions by the United States.
Ayon sa isang career development expert sa isang universidad sa Vancouver, Chea Cunanan, kapansin-pansin daw ang pagkakaiba pagdating sa paghahanap ng trabaho kumpara noong mga nakalipas na taon.
Comparing it to about 2 years ago, malaki yung difference kasi first factor is yung mga existing big companies, kung hindi sila nagle-lay off, nag-hiring freeze din sila because they want to save as much as they can, di ba? They're not really, very few industries are now preparing for growth. Kumbaga, syempre, dahil napaka-uncertain ng economy.
Aminado sa tumitinding kompetisyon sa malaking syudad, posible raw anyang mas malaki ang tsansa sa malalayong lugar kahit palimitado ang oportunidad. Makakatulong din anya ang aktibong pakikipag-network sa social media apps gaya ng LinkedIn.
Well, if you can apply directly dun sa website nila, so much better kasi mas direct na tinitingnan yun ng recruiters.
Maigi rin anyang palakasin ang soft skills, lalo tinitignan din umano ng employers ang self-confidence at communication skills.
So it's also very important that you know who you are, you know what your strengths are, you know what your goals are, and you know how to position yourself para ma-meet mo yung target goal na yun. Magkakaroon yung university namin ng upcoming job fair in April. So if may mga employers na interested to meet with top candidates from all over the world, kasi yung students namin are mostly international, they're welcome to contact us.